Hey, everybody. Hi there. Welcome to our channel. It's time to learn the alphabet with Roma and Diana. Let's sing along. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now we know all the letters of the alphabet. Do you? Then let's check. Answer all the questions correctly and get ready for a super prize. Look. What's that? You see, this is our friend. He lives in the world of Arctics. But something has happened to him. Oh, what's wrong with him? Why is he so sad? He has lost his voice. Can you help him get it back? To do this, you need to answer all my questions correctly. Are you ready? Let's go! What is the first letter of the words? Airplane, apple, and. This is an easy one. Yes, it's the letter A. Well done. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. The letter is for apple. Very good. The letter B is for ball, right? The letter C is for car. That's right. The letter D is for dog. Well done. The letter E is for elephant. Good. The letter F is for fish. Keep going. The letter G is for girl. That's right. The letter H is for house. Correct. The letter I is for ice cream. Yummy. The letter J is for jump. Well done. The letter K is for kite. Keep going. The letter L is for lion. That's right. The letter M is for monkey. Good. The letter N is for nest. Correct. The letter O is for orange. Well done. The letter P is for pig. Keep going. The letter Q is for queen. That's right. The letter R is for rabbit. Correct. The letter S is for snake. Well done. The letter T is for tiger. Keep going. The letter U is umbrella. That's right. The letter V is for violet. Well done. The letter W is for watermelon. Keep going. The letter X is for xylophone. Very good. The letter Y is for yogurt. Keep going. And the last letter is the letter Z. What is the zebra? That's right. We've learned all the letters of the alphabet. Well done. Now we need to wake up. Give him the magic of language and he will be able to speak again. But before that, let's listen to a fun fact about each letter. The letter A makes 5 sounds. Ask, act, atom, and age. There are 7 silent B's in the English language. Honest, honor, one, weapon, and Wednesday. Can you say them all? Most words that begin with C have a soft sound. Cat, cow, cop, coat, and cake. Can you name some other words starting with C? D is for dinosaurs. They were huge, weren't they? E is for ears. We have 2 of them. One on the top of our head and one on the bottom. F is for fingers. How many fingers do you have? G is for glasses. Do you wear them? H is for hands. We use them for everything. I is for eyes. Look into mine. J is for jam. It tastes delicious. K is for knees. Let's touch our knees. L is for lips. Now we can make some sounds. M is for mom. Who does your mom look like? N is for nose. This is my nose. O is for orange. Do you like eating it? P is for papa. Does he look like yours? Q is for Queen Elizabeth. She ruled England for a very long time. R is for rainbow. It appears after the rain. S is for smile. Show me yours. T is for table. Let's tap it. U is for umbrella. Do you take it when it rains? V is for very. How are you? Very good. W is for whale. These creatures live in the ocean. X is for Xerox. Have you ever heard of it? Y is for yellow. What's your favorite color? And the last letter is E. We pronounce it C, not Z. We've made it. Our friend has got his voice back. Thank you. But our work isn't over yet. Help me find all the hidden letters in these words. I'll give you a hint. They are all mixed up. No problem. I can read very well now. Let's find them. Do you see this farm? On it we can see many animals. Let's find all the hidden letters on it. Where did they go? Don't worry. We'll find them. The letter is hidden behind the barn. The letter B is behind the haystack. The letter C is hiding under the tractor. The letter D is in the barn. The letter E is in the pigsty. The letter F is behind the hen house. The letter G is in the cow's tail. The letter H is on the haystack. The letter I is on the tractor. The letter J is in the river. The letter K is in the pigsty. The letter L is on the grass. The letter M is in the hen house. The letter N is in the barn. The letter O is hiding under the fence. The letter P is in the pigsty. The letter Q is in the river. The letter R is on the grass. The letter S is on the tractor. The letter T is in the hen house. The letter U is on the barn. The letter V is in the pigsty. The letter W is on the hay. The letter X is by the fence. The letter Y is in the river. The letter Z is in the cow's tail. Well done. We found all the letters. But wait, don't rush. Let's continue playing. In front of us you can see many beautiful pictures. But something is wrong. All the letters are mixed up. Oh dear. Can you arrange them? I think I can. The first picture shows a monkey holding a banana. So the letter M should come first. And what's next? The second picture shows a cat and a bird. The bird says tweet, so the letter B is next. The third picture shows a dog and a bone. The letter D should be next. And the fourth picture shows an apple tree. The letter S should come next. Very good. You've arranged the first 4 letters. What about the rest? Think. The fifth picture shows a zebra. So the letter Z should be next. The sixth shows a girl holding a balloon. The letter G is next. The seventh shows a house with a roof. The letter H should be next. The eighth shows an ice cream cone. The letter I comes next. The ninth shows a boy riding a bike. The letter B is next. The 10th shows a car. The letter C is next. The 11th shows a fish. The letter F comes next. The 12th shows a goat eating grass. The letter G is next. The 13th shows a hat. The letter H is next. The 14th shows a bird sitting in a tree. The letter B is next. The 15th shows a book. The letter B is next. The 16th shows a comb. The letter C is next. The 17th shows a kitten chasing a mouse. The letter K is next. The 18th shows a lion. The letter L is next. The 19th shows a monkey holding a banana. We've met him already. The letter M is next. The 20th shows a nest. The letter N is next. The 21st shows a paint box. The letter P is next. The 22nd shows a rabbit. The letter R is next. The 23rd shows a shoe. The letter S is next. The 24th shows a table. The letter T is next. The 25th shows an umbrella. The letter U is next. The 26th shows a vase. The letter V is next. The 27th shows a watermelon. The letter W is next. The 28th shows an xylophone. The letter X is next. The 29th shows a yellow duck. The letter Y is next. And finally the letter Z. That's the whole alphabet. You're doing great. Here are some riddles for you. Guess what I am? I have branches but no leaves. I have a trunk but no roots. I have hands but no arms. What am I? A tree. I have keys but no locks. I have space but no room. You can enter but can't go outside. What am I? A keyboard. I have cities but no houses. I have mountains but no trees. I have water but no fish. What am I a map? I have mouths but cannot speak. I have teeth but cannot eat. What am I? A comb. I have legs but cannot walk. I have a body but no bones. I have a bed but never sleep. What am I? A chair. I have needles but cannot sew. I have a head but no brain. I have buttons but no pockets. What am I? A pin. Well done. You've answered all the questions. You are the smartest kids in the world. Thank you for playing today. If you want to spend time with us, subscribe. We'll be so happy to have you. Also press the bell button to get notifications of our new videos. See you soon. Bye.